Dan looks like the youngest here. He is like 14. Hello.
So Bobby, you gonna try and get him for under 15 then? You and Dan thinking you're under 14?
Yes.
I don't see the point in trying. I don't see the point. Have fun then. The worst try ever to try and get
terrible.
You were possibly the worst 14-year-old I've ever seen in my life.
Half a try! That's like me trying to get in as a 14-year-old.
Look at the facial hair on that.
You'd have shut your mouth if you would have got in.
Yeah, we would have probably.
If I would have got in, I wouldn't have shut my mouth. I would have gone, are they stupid?
Yeah, welcome to the Netley Marsh Monster Truck Rally show. I don't know why we're doing a video today, but we're here anyway, so...
Monster truck.
It's not just wrestling, it's Monster Truck Rally.
Monster truck wrestling, they're like Transformers. They transform and they wrestle. And the difference between wrestling and wrestling is that wrestling is like wrestling, but in a dirty section of a back garden.
That's lesson number 1 there for wrestling fans. Unfortunately, I won't be doing any videos on wrestling. Welcome, Ed. Hello, you're on Random Day in Totton now. Again.
I feel like I have to say something.
Yeah, you've just said something. These are all your fields, aren't they, you lucky son of a bitch?
So much try and get in as 14. Did you get in as a 14-year-old by any chance?
Yes.
You got in as a 14-year-old.
You yummy shit! Hold on, what did you get for free?
You've got a bigger moustache than I have.
This is the manliest thing I've done in a while. Yeah, ready for the...
Oh no, it's parking.
Whoa, that was the manliest thing I've ever seen in my life. A monster truck parking.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh no, it's coming back.
With nitrous coming out the front.
God help us if he tries parallel parking.
Showtime!
Not cool.
Showtime! We missed X-Men Recycling.
Daredevil Stunt Show, the greatest show on wheels ever to tour the world.
It's
The guys coming around now, just going to do a truck parade, show you some of the equipment that we're going to bring in each of these stunt artists one at a time and introduce them to you individually.
Hello.
Okay, let's get them all down the bottom end. Okay, there goes the truck parade. Let's crack on with some introductions. And first guy into the arena, this is our fearless leader, the Daredevil himself. And a huge round of applause for Scott May!
What a reception!
First of the cars into the arena, this guy will be opening up the show with one death-defying crash. So get your hands... Jerry Nichols! Next of the cars into the arena, this guy's going to be showing you a lot of... Yeah, that's better. Okay, the car... Yeah! The controls. Stock standard cars supplied by this evening's sponsor.
Oh God. That's got service.
No roll cage, no robos. That guy's only protection is a lap strap and a crash helmet. Not wearing firmly into that seat.
Not wearing a seatbelt.
Car's good on its nose there. He's going to take a line on these 2 ramps, get as much speed as he can out of that old wreck. And then we're going to get the flying head-on domino smash.
Even true, man.
He's kind of been all over the world, performing different crashes.
This man would be able to do our show today if he went to our...
Recently back from Japan, had a bit of TV work out there.
I love how they got... Yeah, he's on camera now.
There we get on. Tony Nichols. World-renowned crashman in action. Here he comes.
World-renowned guy.
It's a good line. Is it quick enough? Oh, that one hell of an impact there. He's over on his roof. The guy's just getting over to see if he's okay, hanging upside down there. All the guys going to try and get that car back over onto all fours. Bit of smoke coming out of there.
a wheezy way
I think it's on fire.
Explosion!
Well, for now, crash man, bad driver.
Effort to do that with
Bringing it nicely down that straight. Let's see if we can get around bend number 1.
Not really a monster truck.
There he goes nicely into bend number 1, taking it across the top end of the arena. On with the power, a little bit quicker, heading into the next bend.
Still works though, doesn't it?
And a high speed blast round that top bend.
I love it.
And
It's a bum.
just dropping it down. There he goes one more time. Bring it right on across the bottom.
Good, no.
Standing on the side now, got his both legs onto the same side. And just getting it back over. Come on, get your hands together. Bobo the Clown.
Go, Bobo, go!
Whoa, that is a hot one. Here he comes, charging towards. Bang! Right on through he goes. Oh, that machine. Oh, look at that bits of burning debris all over that machine. He managed to keep it running, only just. Hang on, he looks like he's okay. Yeah, come on, get your hands together. Stuart Thomas. Needs a lot more speed this time. To get up and over his teammates. How far they're stretched out there. Here he comes. Charging towards. It's a good line. Is he quick enough? Up he goes. Yeah! Right in high. One more time.
Live,
Just managing to stop that machine down the bottom end there. That's another thing he's got to think.
It just turns up fire.
Don't get drunk in general.
Copious amounts of high octane fuel going on there.
Yeah, he's moving forward slightly.
He's gonna surf it.
Oh,
You ain't seen nothing yet.
yeah, I know. We have. It's the best you got.
Oh, that's another hot wall. Get him through, Bobo. Hey! Bobo, what the hell have you done? Look, he's dropped him in the fire. Mad Mikey is well afraid. Look at this. It's the burning debris dropping off as he makes his way right on down the arena. Look at the distance that guy's gone. He's down. Guy's just trying to get him extinguished there. Now,
Jump at that.
on the TV, just burst into flames again there. When you see this in this very bumpy field,
I've never seen James Bond do that.
look at that, running out of space, nowhere to go, nowhere to run, and just dropping it down.
Right,
That was a fantastic run. Now,
Get us back to Bobo the Clown within the back of the yard car.
One
There's no car. And they were like, oh, there's a problem with the car. And
Okay, the only alteration for this vehicle folks is a fixed differential.
Bobo.
And a fixed differential only.
5 seconds later, I just hear everything.
If it wasn't for the fixed differential, the wheel on the ground, and get no traction whatsoever, and the wheel in the...
He's a manly person. Red.
Man.
He's a man. He's red.
Must tell you as well, Jimmy.
Sorry about the sun, by the way.
When he takes his, had a bit of a hard landing earlier when he was doing a little practice. And his left leg, oh, you want to see it, it is really swollen up, folks.
Yeah, I mean, the most
Let's see how we
exciting
get on.
thing we've seen.
In line. Up he goes. Oh, baby! Look at the height that guy was.
I don't think I even got that on camera, but oh well. Mini. If you can't tell, we are now facing away from the sun, because we're smart now.
Yeah, even though the sun just went behind the tree.
Bugger.
Can't see the sun for the tree. That'd be deep if it made sense.
It's over, yeah.
One thing that could go wrong. What are you doing, Bobo?
God.
Wheeling competition.
Wobbly whip.
No, he wants a wheeling competition with you. You're going to take him on? Yeah? He's damn good, you know. Get over there next to your Scott then.
The wheels are coming off.
Okay. He's good, Scott. You're going to be careful. Okay, on your marks. Get set, go! Come on, Scott. Bobo, you Blanco. What was that?
Okay, that was good. That was good.
I've already seen the John Cena fans, and now I've just heard the PG crowd. Not happy. Heck yeah! Heck yes! This kicks bum. This kicks rectum. You gotta be absolutely perfect.
It's got to be scientifically, medically accurate.
Good
Joe.
I'm not riding the Valkyries over this.
This was made possible by Steel Recycling.
On the date, 15 years
Ex-metal
workman's got made again,
The number is...
I love how he's probably like memorized it.
The first of the car project. Demolition action. Get it on.
Have you watched The Omen?
Manly meter increased by 10. Your manliness has now been increased.
Drivers, they always have to overstate. They always have to understate. They've got these really threatening titles, but they have to stick their name on the end, so it always like undermines it, like Skull Crusher Graham.
Explosion on that box,
And he's not on fire.
I'm gonna have to put Wheezy Waiter in the copyright now.
Inside was not on fire. How was that?
I'm having to put Wheezy Waiter in the copyright now.
That's like the coffin equivalent of the clown car.
I'm going to have to send it over first.
Why do they have to put minis everywhere? Are we just trying to stay as British as possible by putting a mini somewhere?
Okay, big question. Just going to try this.
Rover 78.
Take a little note.
What?
And he had shot.
We're just going to do a GTA here and smash it up as much as possible. Yeah.
Camera's ready.
I've got
Great picture, this one.
Free bird.
High in the sky. Oh,
That felt manly. We'll be back to you in a minute.
High Octane Mega Ultra Super Street Fighter 2 Hyper Edition Gold HD.
He has to high, he just keeps driving around. It's manly.
Is he going to bring people in up?
Why does this sound like it's a dart commentator? Oh,
And that was so manly, the crowd is sweating semen.